Page 59. Pronunciation. Exercise 3A. Listen.
Do you play a sport?
Yes, I do.
What do you play?
Now listen and repeat.
Do you play a sport?
Yes, I do.
What do you play?
Page 59. Pronunciation. Exercise 3B. Listen. 1,
Do you like pop music?
2,
Who do you like?
3,
Do you swim?
4,
Yes, I do.
5,
Do you?
6.
I do martial arts.
Now listen and repeat.
Do you like pop music? Who do you like?
Do you swim?
Yes, I do. Do you?
I do martial arts.
Page 61. Pronunciation. Exercise 3A. Listen.
I like to swim.
I read for fun.
I like to go to the movies.
Now listen and repeat.
I like to swim.
I read for fun.
I like to go to the movies.
Page 61. Pronunciation. Exercise 3B. Listen. 1,
I love to dance.
2,
I like to listen to jazz.
3,
I'm free for lunch.
4.
I like to sing in the car.
Now listen and repeat.
I love to dance.
I like to listen to jazz.
I'm free for lunch.
I like to sing in the car.